Today we will make AC voltage divider using film capacitors and resistors. Components you need: 1 capacitor 3.3K 250 VAC, 220K ohm resistor and 4.7 ohm resistor. This is schematic of the circuit. You can choose resistor wattage according to your load. This circuit works best with 240 VAC. Minimum 50 watt load should be connected for desired results. The live wire will serve as input to the 220K resistor. Output wire will go to the load and neutral wire is directly connected from outlet to the load. The 4.7 ohm and 220K ohm resistor are connected with each other with 3.3K capacitor is connected in parallel from one end of the 220K resistor across other side of 4.7 ohm resistor. Here you see the regulated voltage through the circuit. And this is unregulated voltage. So dropped voltage between the resistors. The output voltage will be the half of input voltage.